Honda, a name synonymous with reliability and innovation, has once again captured the imagination of motorbike enthusiasts with the introduction of the CB650 Scrambler. This motorcycle embodies the perfect blend of retro aesthetics and modern performance, making it a standout in the ever-growing Scrambler segment. The Honda CBsix50 Scrambler draws inspiration from the classic Scrambler bikes of the 1960s and 70s, a time when motorcycles were built to tackle both the urban jungle and off-road trails. The bike's design pays homage to this era with its rugged yet stylish appearance. The high-mounted exhaust, a signature feature of Scrambler bikes, not only enhances its off-road capability but also gives it a distinctive look that harks back to the golden age of motorcycling. Underneath its classic exterior, the Honda CB650 Scrambler is powered by a modern 650cc parallel twin engine. This engine is known for its smooth power delivery and reliability, making it ideal for both new riders and seasoned enthusiasts. The engine's 6-speed transmission ensures that there's plenty of torque available for any situation, whether you're navigating tight city streets or powering through rugged terrain. While the CB650 Scrambler embraces a retro design, it doesn't shy away from modern technology. The bike features a full digital instrument cluster, offering riders all the necessary information at a glance. This includes a speedometer, tachometer, fuel gauge, and even gear position indicator. The integration of ride-by-wire throttle and multiple riding modes allows for a customizable riding experience, tailoring the bike's performance to the rider's preferences and road conditions. One of the key selling points of the Honda CB650 Scrambler is the sense of freedom it offers. Whether you're navigating city streets, cruising along the coast, or exploring mountain trails, the CB650 is built to handle it all. The bike's versatile nature means it's just as comfortable as a daily commuter as it is on weekend adventures.